Hola, ¿cómo estás? Soy señorita González y espero tú estás bien. Okay? All right. Well, you've been taught the proper use of por and para that have the same definition expressing by, for, through, etc. And they may, as you know, they have different usage when used, and that could be confusing even for native speakers. They can get confused. I still have sometimes problems differentiating between the por versus the para. Hope that this video will help you. Plus, we've been going over it in class so that you can have a better understanding of these two expressions for those meanings. Like I said, by, for, through. It means much more than just for, even though that's what we use for. Usually we use por and para for the word for, F-O-R. But we know, as we've learned, there's different usage. Okay, let's go to the next PowerPoint slide. Here we're going to start off with por, which whenever you're going to use in a sentence tiempo, which is time, you're going to use por. For example, here we have in this example, yo viví en España por 10 años. Okay, it's a time. It's saying I lived in Spain for 10 years. So anytime you're talking about time, tiempo, you're going to use por. Now, if I was to say, yo viví en España para 10 años, they're going to know what you said. But it's not right. You want to use por instead of para. But the person's going to understand you. This is what's beautiful about these two expressions. They'll still understand you. But since you're learning now, you want to learn the proper way. ¿Verdad? Okay, the next two are exact examples of por también. There's also, as we learned in class, you could also have duration of action, like for, during, in, reason or cause of action. There's more than just these three examples of por, which we will go over in class, but these are some examples. It's just too much to show in a video right now, but you're going to have more in class. This is just a little teaser to get you started. Okay, and let's go to the next slide. We have para. Okay, para is when it's final, finalidad. Esto es para escribir. This is for writing, okay? Or trabajar para alguien, when you're working, for someone. Juan trabaja para mí. Juan works for me. So you're going to use para. Now, if I was to say Juan trabaja por mí, doesn't sound right, and that's what's going to be nice about these. Once you use them more in structured sentences, you're going to find, oh, that didn't sound right. I should use para instead of por, and that's how you get better and better the more you use it. You use these. Now, an idea de futuro. This work is for tomorrow. Este trabajo es para mañana. Para mañana. Okay, you wouldn't say este trabajo es por mañana. And you can see it kind of rhymes. Para mañana. They both end with A's. That is also helpful to know which one to use. Okay, vamos a ver. Now it's your turn. Ahora es tu turno. I'm going to give you some examples. Let me go to the next slide. Here we go. Por or para. You're going to read the sentence and you're going to go ahead and think, which one does Señorita González want me to use? Which one's the proper one? She gave me some examples. So I'm going to show you these. You can write them down or go as slow as you want, as fast as you want. And then in the next slide, you're going to have the answers. Respuestas. Muy bien. Okay, here you go. Here's the answers. So you're able to check your work. Hasta la próxima. See you next time. Adiós.